And so beyond the sales team for a minute, how have you seen, you know, the exposure of the whole company, leadership coaching, warrior selling? How have you seen it impact the culture at Excel?
Yeah, I think from my standpoint, when we always look like we're investing in the team, and that's what we're doing here with this training, is we're investing in our team. So the team itself really feels good about the fact that they feel valued. They feel that the company views them as an important cog in the organization. It enhances their professional development, and it's important to them. The other thing it's done is it's really breeded a lot of confidence with the team that the company is investing this, putting this investment towards professional development with a proven training process to create success. It allows them to be the best that they can be every day, and it breeds confidence. And really, from an executive perspective, that's what they want to see because that's part of our values. We're trying to grow our team. We want people to feel like we're the company that's the best place to work. And part of by doing that is how do you invest back in your team? And that's what we've been doing with this program.